Yeah.
Right. So, Mr. Rajesh, thank you. Firstly, background. Machine is actually the measurement. So there is a new innovation which is 3D measurement based on laser profile measurement, and we're using a laser profiler called Gocator, manufactured by LMI Technologies, and one of the leaders in 3D metrology, non-contact 3D metrology. So as a partner of LMI Technologies India, and Mr. Rajesh from Rcube is one of our partners who extensive experience in 3D metrology, how metrology systems are both in the lab environment as well as in production line environment.
Yeah.
And he's been spearheading this project. And with that background, over to you, Rajesh, to walk us through how
Yes.
this is done.
Thanks for coming. We would like to just give you a small introduction about this machine. This machine is auto inspection system. It is used on the production shop for a measurement of 100% inspection of every part. We are providing a measurement solution. It's better to call measurement solution, as this machine is used for a universal application. Because today we have a challenge of measuring this part of a different dimensions for around 10 parameters in the part, and even the cycle time, which is 9 seconds. The challenges of this part is we have to orient the part in a different setup to measure the parameters in a quick as well as a precise way. The fixture plays a major role. The fixture is clamping the part, and it has to be positioned in a given repeatability range.
This is quite an elaborate fixture because the fixturing is equal, and we are talking about tolerances of microns, right?
Absolutely.
We are talking about less than 10 microns.
Absolutely.
For some of these
Yes.
tolerances. Every little thing makes a difference. Well, micron is like 1,000th of a millimeter.
Exactly.
And the hair, human hair, is like 100 microns.
Yeah.
And we're talking about 1% of a human hair. And that's the tolerances that we have.
We have also a setting stand. One of the important tasks what we have is the operator dependency should not be there while you are using the equipment. Very important is that operator has got only the work to place the part. There should not be any influence of an operator skill on the machine. That is one of the major purpose of developing the auto inspection SP. So we are going to place the part, and this will be used with a different part number. There is a model which is given here. We have developed this machine as of now for 8 variants. These models has different features to be measured on this machine. We are going to select this model for this particular part, and then we are going to save it, and then the part will be used for just for the part measurement. By the time he just Yes. It finished one part, and you can see the display of this part, and meanwhile this data is also getting loaded into the PC automatically.
So this is where the LMI output is, right? So you have the 3D profile point cloud, and the point cloud is showing 3D profile of the surface that was scanned, and various parameters such as the gear tooth profile.
Yeah, and the center distance, and there are different parameters like slot width. The slot width need to be measured. You need to measure the distance from this face, the bottom face, to the center distance of the slot width. You need to measure the center width of this. If you see the plan of this face, and you need to measure the symmetry of the slot with respect to the diameter, that has to be measured. So everything is measured within few seconds. Talking about the R&R, that means repeatability and reproducibility, and one of our challenge to prove the machine, which we have already done a pre-dispatch inspection about this particular machine.
Yeah, this partnership resulted in a very innovative machine. We worked 6 months.
Yes.
At least together with our application engineering team, along with Mr. Rajesh, who was guiding us from his experience. And I think this is a great combination of how domain expertise, machine building, fixturing, and end user customer requirements.
Correct.
And only the combination of that really makes it a success.
Today, we call it as a first step with the Qualitas and the data sensor team. Now we are looking for many more potentials like this to work together. We would like to thank you for giving this kind of opportunity for us to work together for a better collaboration in a long-term relationship.
Yeah, absolutely. And how was your experience, if I may ask, in working on this project? I'm sure there's also learnings, right?
Thanks for asking this. These 5 months, whatever the efforts, which I learned from your application engineer, that he has really got a good dedication patience is essential for this particular project. Today I can say confidently that I have learned something from your application team, that how we have to patiently get success. Thank you so much.